The researchers, who've come from as far as the UK and Japan, make sure they stay hidden, some in hides overlooking the beach. Distant helpers herd the shorebirds to the target beach, and a rising tide slowly pushes them towards the trap.
3, 2, 1, fire!
That's when the rush begins.
Get that bird out! By hand now!
They need to get the birds out of the net before they die from the heat.
These stones are hot!
Or drown in the incoming sea. Volunteers work frantically to sort them into boxes.
I want these greater sandblubbers out of this net! Sandblubbers! Here.
After all the waiting, it's a race against time.
Get hold of this shade, hold it up above us!
Then starts the laborious job of weighing, measuring and tagging the birds.
This bird we captured last March and placed this light sensing device on the bird. It's a geolocator.
If we're in the field in China and we're not able to catch them, we can then with our telescopes read that unique code, and that will tell us where that bird was banded, how old it is and things like that.
That way they can be monitored and logged as they travel, helping scientists better understand where the birds go during their trek to Siberia.
And hopefully it will find out where its breeding grounds are.
And it's a matter of urgency because numbers are in decline. Broom's growing population exerts some pressure, but the biggest problem lies along the migration path.
It's already happened with great knots. We've had a decline of 20% in the flyway population due to an enormous reclamation destruction project in Korea.
Part of this study is to track their movements and identify key important areas with the hope for protecting them in the Yellow Sea, which will enable Broome to continue having large numbers of shorebirds.
Xavier Daluan, Win News.